Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So today we probably do not need the daily chart because overall performance stands on intraday charts. And this market hits our predefined level, actually just to watching ahead of these updates. It also has completed the 107.17 target of the butterfly that we discussed through the week, starting since Monday actually. So, and currently very interesting with the pullback. So what will happen, what reaction will follow? Because on the daily chart we're still keep watching for a possible brand body sell. It might be great, it's just because despite that we have the support and market reached the intraday target, overall fundamental background still stands the same and it presses on euro performance. So this is really nice stuff that we will get the pullback or something of that sort, but in the current environment this will be just maybe just a technical response. And appearing of the brand body trade might become the good chance for taking the short position with a possible 105 next destination point. That's it if we will speaking in the scale of the daily, weekly time frames. This is the only thing that actually I see currently on daily chart. On a lower time frame, on the 4 time frame chart, market still stands inside of the range, and to speak about the possible stronger pullback retracement, we should get at least the breakout of this range. Pay attention also how different the divergences are. So this previous two bottoms, you also could say that we have the divergence, but this divergence was not at the fib support, it was not on a daily level, and as a result you could see it has failed. So no action above this top has happened. That's how I usually filter the divergences. So I'm trying to follow only the divergence that is forming around the important targets of the high time frame scales or around significant levels, also the high time frame scale. So, and this divergence, it seems it might be reliable. It's just because it's around 107.35 support, and it could suggest the taking out of this top between the bottoms. So that's why we're now speaking about the greater reversal patterns and about possible brand body trade. But now we're standing right in the beginning stage, the starting stage of this possible pullback, and see what will happen. On the hourly chart, here's our butterfly that we talked about already. I recall what we said on the two possible ways of trading this setup. We said it would be better to wait for a big pattern if you would like to take the position. Particularly speaking, we're watching for the hand and shoulders here. So you can see left shoulder head. This might be right arm, somewhere around the same 107.60 lows with a possible big ABCD pullback. That usually happens. Second scenario was to deal directly with the butterfly. And we said that if you'd like to trade the butterfly directly, try to get some minor reversal pattern at the point of the completion of the butterfly, somewhere in this area. The same story we actually discussed on the gold market. So, and take a look here indeed, if you drop your time frame more, you will see that here we have a kind of the hand and shoulders shape, minor hand and shoulders pattern. Based on this pattern, we have the ABCD extension, it's XOP 107.52, and take a look, it perfectly agrees with the minimum target of the butterfly. As you know, the butterfly treats is to be completed if market shows at least 30% pullback from the whole downside action of the butterfly. That precisely stands in 107.54. So if you're a scalp trader and you have taken position based on the butterfly, that's your minimum target. You later could, I don't know, move steps to the break even, just close the half of your position, keep the rest for possible more extension for the next upside leg. But this is minimum target that you could keep an eye on, so market should reach it. If you have missed this opportunity, so currently it's not very comfortable taking the new long position, you need to wait for some retracement out from this resistance area, then make a decision on possible taking the position or see what will happen, because currently it's already stands too close to the 107.52, and your stop will be at least below this reversal bar. So by the way, this reversal bar, bullish reversal bar, also good points in favor of upward continuation in the short term. But in general, as you could see, that overall reaction stance not really very strong. So I would not see really significant thrusting action, and that makes me think that well, one of the scenarios exists that we will not get any bread and butter, and market could just keep dropping lower. We will see. It will be clear after reaction on the 107.55 if market will start to keep dropping right back down to the lows, especially if we'll get some acceleration, something of this kind. It's more probable that we just, after minor reaction on the butterfly, will get direct downside continuation. So that being said, first step, we are watching for this level. Once it will be completed, watching for retracement, make the decision whether market have the power to keep going higher, or retracement will be very small and we should be ready for breakout on 107 lows.